Mute yourself. There is noise coming from your mic. Thank you. Okay, so anybody wants to tell me how to do this? Just try, no? It's okay if you have not done it fully. Just try. Let us do the third one. What do you have to show if you want to show that n squared is theta n squared plus n? What do you have to show? Come on, now you have to become more enthusiastic and faster. Okay, this speed is okay for the first week, but eventually this speed has to increase. We have a lot of things to study. We cannot keep on doing big omega theta all the time. This thing ends here. This topic ends in this week. This is the last lecture about this topic. Tomorrow there will be a break for you guys. I will give you a set of questions. You are going to try it. Friday and Saturday we will do tutorials on this. And then this topic is over. We are going to the next topic. Okay, we are not going to keep doing this. So now you have to try. You have to increase your speed. You have to spend some time on this. So if you have not solved this, okay, but now show your involvement in the lecture. Come on, one of you, tell me, how will you start? Nobody wants to start? Shall I start picking people by names? Say, I don't want to do that. It does not look nice. Please, just try, no? Either you will get it correct or you will get it wrong and you will learn something. Right?
Well,
Ha, Bhakti, bolo.
so we have n square is equal to n into n is less than equal to n square plus n. So
Okay, so
this is
that is
n
how we are
square.
starting. Wait, wait, wait. Yeah, let me write. So we have n squared is equal to less than or equal to n squared plus
N
n,
square
and
plus
that is true for all n greater than or equal to 1, right? So I must have missed writing this last time. You also need to write for all n greater than or equal to n naught. Okay, so yeah, that was the correction. So what is c and what is n naught here? The c is 1, right?
yes.
And n naught is 1. So okay, therefore what does this show?
N square equal to big omega.
Big
Sorry.
omega,
N square equal to big O n square plus n.
big O n square plus n. Okay, good, fine. The reverse for omega, you want to try? So what is the relationship between n squared and n?
N is less than or equal to n square.
Okay, fine. All the time, no? Because for all n greater than or equal to 1. Right. So if I look at maximum of n and n square, what will it be? Do you remember? So this we wrote it anyways, but let's go back. Do you see this? This statement? If you take maximum of n and n square, what will you get? Maximum. Maximum you know, right? Bigger one among the two. You just said, no? N square is greater than or equal to n. So what is the maximum
N
of
square.
n and n square?
N square.
N squared. And what is this on the right side?
N plus n square.
Yeah. And what do we have to
Beta of
prove here? What do we have to prove here? Is that okay? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This was just a special case, okay? You could have applied this theorem to prove that, or else you can follow the proof here itself and prove it. So let us do it. And you can use this property and prove it. But even otherwise you can prove it. So let us do the remaining part. Anyways, one way you have done. Correct? So now, n is less than or equal to n squared, somebody said. That is what we have to use, right? We have for all n greater than or equal to 1, what do we have? N less than or equal to n squared. Is that correct? Which means n plus n squared is less than or equal to 2n squared. N squared plus n squared. Is that correct?
Yes,
अरे
sir.
यार लिख के मैं हाँ सिर्फ करेक्ट ही तो पूछ रहा हूँ. Yes, no, at least tell me. If you understand, say yes. If not, say no. I'll explain again. What is the meaning of being silent? I don't understand. But tell me honestly one thing. You all are logging in and you are listening to the lecture, right? You're not doing something else. तो फिर मैं सबको फिर वीडियो चालू करने को बोलूँगा. I mean, I don't want to do those things. Yeah, okay. So just pay attention. Just pay attention. एक घंटे का एक lecture है. Okay. So n plus n squared is at most 2n squared, and now you are almost there, right? This implies n squared. So this is 2n squared, and you take 2 to the other side. So n squared will be greater than or equal to n plus n squared divided by 2. That is half into n plus n squared. If you look at it, this is what we were doing in that proof with Fn and Gn, right? So now half is the constant and 1 is the n naught. This is true for all n greater than or equal to 1. And this implies, what does this imply? If you have n squared greater than or equal to half n plus n squared for all n greater than or equal to 1, what do you get?
That implies n square is equals to big omega of n plus n squared.
Okay, so are we done then?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because we have proved big omega and big theta. Sorry, big O and big omega. Hence, n squared is equal to theta n squared plus n. Okay, okay. So now the next one. Now I have solved one, right? Now I want one of you to tell me what to do. Okay, take 2 minutes, write down, try something, and then tell me. Okay, 2 minutes. One way is easy, anyways. One of either big omega or big O. One of them is very easy. Please tell me that.
N square is less than or equal to n square plus 1.
Is it
Then in
n
next
square
step
plus
we
1?
can write n square is less.
No, listen. Is it n square plus 1? It's not n square plus 1. You should read the question carefully. Is it n square plus 1? Who was this? Priya, right?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो क्वेश्चन बताओ. n squared is theta of क्या प्रूव करना है? n squared plus 1 नहीं.
N plus 1 the whole square.
हाँ, okay. So n plus 1 whole square. Okay, now tell me.
N square is less than or equal to n square plus 1 plus 2n.
Okay.
Then in next step we can write n square is less than or equal to n plus 1 the whole square.
Okay. Therefore,
Then it is proved then that n square is equal to big omega n plus 1 the whole square.
big omega.
Sorry, big O. Big O.
So I think one more student made the same mistake 5 minutes ago, or was it you itself? or was it someone else? Okay, anyways, don't confuse between big omega. If you make these confusions, मार्क ऐसा कटेगा ना लेफ्ट एंड राइट एग्जाम में, कुछ बोल नहीं सकते, ठीक है? डेफिनेशन गलत नहीं होना चाहिए, ओके? बी केयरफुल, ओके?
Yes, sir.
So n squared is big O n plus 1 whole square. That is easy. Now for big omega, try. Take 2-3 minutes, try. Okay, write down and try now. And then we'll solve it.
Can we take n square is less than or equals to n plus 1 whole square for every n equals n greater than or equals to 1?
Yes, because n is less than or equal to n plus 1. Therefore, you can square both sides and yes.
Sir, n square is equal to n square, then 2n is less than equal to n square, and 1 is
Okay,
less
okay.
than equal
Yeah,
to
so let
n.
us write. Let us write. So who is
So
this?
add them.
Deepak, right? Okay, 1 minute. Let me write the first thing quickly. So we know n square is less than or equal to n plus 1 squared for all n greater than or equal to 1. Or you can write it as n square plus 2n plus 1. Both are correct. This implies n square is big O n plus 1 whole square. Okay. Big O. Never confuse this. Big O has to be written big. Okay. Now the next part. हाँ बताओ.
Big O के लिए sir,
Big O के लिए.
n is less. हाँ,
Big O
n
तो
is
हो गया.
less. big O हो गया ना, तो वही. तो n square is equal to n
तुम्हें क्या
square,
प्रूव करना है?
n
तुम्हें बिग ओ प्रूव करना है.
नहीं big ओमेगा प्रूव करना है.
हाँ, बिग ओमेगा प्रूव करना है. गुड. हाँ बताओ.
हाँ, तो n square is equal to n square, और 2n is less than equal to n square,
हाँ.
और 1 is less than equal to n. Then add तीनों.
रुको रुको, आराम आराम से बोलो, आराम आराम से बोलो, जल्दी मत करो.
1 is less than equal to n square. 1 is less than equal to n square.
हाँ,
तो
फर्दर
तीनों को ऐड कर देंगे
अरे
तो
भाई,
3n स्क्वायर.
अरे भाई मैं लिखूं कि तुम
हाँ
बोलते
सर,
जाओ?
सॉरी सर.
इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ आराम आराम से लिखो. तुम जैसे बोलते हो तुम वैसे ही एग्जाम में भी लिखोगे, ये बात का ध्यान रखो. तुम इतना जल्दी
हाँ सर.
जल्दबाजी में कह रहे हो, तुम जल्दबाजी में लिखोगे, लिखते समय गलती करोगे, मार्क कटेगा. मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा. पेपर में तुम कुछ लिखोगे, पेपर में ठीक से दिखेगा नहीं तो मुझे मार्क कटना ही पड़ेगा. समझ में आ रहा है तुमको दिक्कत कहाँ हो रहा है? समय लेके आराम आराम से बोलो, आराम आराम से लिखो, गलती नहीं होगी. ठीक है? छोटी छोटी गलतियाँ नहीं करनी है, बड़ी गलतियाँ करो कि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कैसे करना है समझ में ही नहीं आया, ऐसे कुछ करो फिर भी मतलब बनता है. ये छोटा छोटा कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक करके मार्क नहीं गंवाने का. इज दैट ओके? आई एम टेलिंग एवरीवन, पे केयरफुल अटेंशन टू व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग एंड व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. Okay, so and being slow helps there. Okay, when you say things, where should you have be fast? You should be fast in your enthusiasm, in thinking. Okay, you should not put aside a problem बाद में देख लेंगे, ऐसे नहीं. That is where you have to be fast. Okay, so further we have, तो क्या कह रहे थे, n square is less than or equal to n square. फिर
2n is less than equal to 2n n square, फिर 1 is less than equal to n square.
हाँ, for all
तो
n
तीनों को ऐड कर.
greater than or equal to 1. ठीक है, फिर
हाँ
तीनों को ऐड कर दूं मैं. ठीक है,
हाँ,
n square plus 2n plus 1 is less than or equal to
फिर 3n square.
3n
3 को
square.
इस साइड लेकर आइए.
क्या हुआ?
3 को
अच्छा,
डिवाइड कर दो
हाँ, ओके.
both the
So
sides.
n squared is greater than or equal to n squared plus 2n plus 1 by 3, that is n plus 1 whole squared by 3
by 3.
for all n. अच्छा, तो इससे क्या होता है?
Omega of n plus
क्या
1
क्या
square.
किसका ओमेगा?
Square is equal to omega of n plus 1 square whole square.
ओके, नाइस. ओके, गुड. तो ये क्लियर है, दिस मच इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So now let us go to solve some other problems. यही प्रॉब्लम लेते हैं और थोड़ा और स्ट्रॉन्गर दिखाते हैं. ठीक है, यही दो प्रॉब्लम लेते हैं फिलहाल. एक्सरसाइज 5. तो हमने टिल्डा देखा था पिछली बार. ओके, लेट अस रिवाइज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ टिल्डा बिफोर वी गो अहेड. दिस इज द टिल्डा नोटेशन. ओके, एफ एन जी, we say f tilde g if limit fn by gn it goes to 1. Okay, and we already know by lambda, whenever fn by gn goes to a limit lambda which is positive, fn is theta gn. So anyways fn will be theta gn. So tilde is stronger than theta. Okay, just like little o was stronger than little big O, little omega is stronger than big omega, tilde is stronger than theta. Okay, so now let's solve some problems about tilde. अब हमने थीटा दिखाया और स्ट्रॉन्गर. लेट अस प्रूव समथिंग स्ट्रॉन्गर. ओके, सो show that n squared is actually tilde n squared plus n. Somebody wants to try? एक्चुअली स्ट्रॉन्गर है तो भी लिटिल ओमेगा टिल्डा का प्रूफ ज़्यादा आसान होता है क्योंकि लिमिट लेके देख सकते हैं, है ना. सो ट्राई सॉल्विंग दिस, इट शुड बी इजी. ट्राई इट नाउ.
Sir, can we solve using limit by the definition of tilde?
Yeah, that's what you have to do.
Uh, so, sir, in limit when we divide by n square to the numerator and denominator, and finally 1 by n will be 0. Using this, can we solve?
या तुम पहले बताओ ना, कैन बी सॉल्व का मतलब क्या है? इधर यू कैन और यू कैन नॉट. मतलब तुम बताओ तुमने क्या लिखा है.
Yes, sir. I am using the limit from n tends to infinity and n square upon n square plus n. Okay,
रुको रुको
and then
रुको रुको, मैं लिख
we
रहा हूँ यार.
divide by
अरे मैं लिख रहा हूँ, रुको. हाँ बोलो. लिमिट n टेंडिंग टू इन्फिनिटी
n is n square upon n square plus n.
n square upon n square plus n. Okay.
n square. Yes. So when then we'll divide numerator and denominator by n square.
Okay. So that becomes 1 by
1 plus 1 by n. 1 plus 1 by n.
okay.
Then we place n infinity as infinity. Then we'll get the limit will be 1 here.
लिमिट विल बी 1 हियर. हाँ. तो क्या मिला? You proved that this limit is equal to 1. तो क्या मिला?
Yes.
सर फिर definition है ना
So
n square.
by the definition we can say
हाँ
this is n squared tilde n square plus n.
हाँ correct. तो हो गया ना? Why are you asking can we do this? I don't understand. What was wrong here?
Sorry, sir.
नहीं मतलब what is your confusion? You are solving a limit, you get the answer and confidence दिखाओ यार. गलत होगा तो ठीक है, मतलब तुम श्योर नहीं हो और आंसर नहीं बताते हो या हिचकिचाते हो, दिस इज नॉट गुड. ओके. अभी नया कोई क्वेश्चन आ गया एग्जाम में, तुम क्या पूरा आंसर लिखने के बाद किसी इन्विजिलेटर को दिखा के पूछोगे कि ऐसे कर सकते हैं क्या? ऐसे सब नहीं करते. ठीक है. यू राइट योर आंसर, यू टेल व्हाट यू हैव थॉट, बी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट इट. इट माइट बी रॉन्ग, चलता है, बट इफ इट इज रॉन्ग यू लर्न समथिंग. If it is correct, very good. In this way, what you said now was correct, so very good. Okay. So this is how you do it. You can take it both ways. Theta goes both ways. F is equal to theta g, g is equal to theta f. Same thing. F is tilde g, g is tilde f. Same thing, because when you go back to the definition of tilde, if limit fn by gn is 1, then limit gn by fn will also be 1. Reciprocal limit का rules है ना. So you can either show this depending on, you can look at it and see which one will be easier sometimes. So depending on which is easier, you could have also taken limit n tending to infinity n square plus n by n square, which will be limit n tending to infinity 1 plus 1 by n, which has to be 1. So any of these two, either do this or do that. Any of these two is fine. Okay, so let's go ahead now. Now
सर
let me
एक
tell.
सेकंड previous.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, okay okay okay. हाँ.
Done sir. Thank you.
Okay, so now let's do the next thing. N squared, sorry, is tilde n plus 1 squared.
sir.
Hello.
या
So
हाँ कोई भी बोलो चलेगा.
the limit of n tends to infinity, n square plus 1 plus 2n upon n square.
हाँ. Limit of n tending to infinity.
N square plus 1.
यही है ना. n square plus 1 plus 2
हाँ,
and 1. So you don't even have to expand it. You can do it much better. No? You have square by square. तो क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे?
n plus 1 upon n the whole square.
So what is that?
1 plus 1 upon n the whole square.
What is that? हो गया ना?
1. हाँ.
So this implies is that okay? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
So
sir.
now let me generalize this little bit. Okay. Now is a slightly more difficult question. For any k greater than or equal to 1, fixed k, okay, and a0 to a0 to ak in real numbers, ak sorry, a0 to ak minus 1, a0 to ak minus 1 in real numbers, n to the k is in fact tilde n to the k plus ak minus 1 n to the k minus 1 plus ak minus 2 n to the k minus 2 dot a1n plus a0. Okay, try this now. K is fixed. Okay, k is like a constant, but it is some constant. It could be anything, any positive integer.
We have limit n tend to infinity nk ak plus n k minus 1 up to a naught upon nk.
तो लिख रहा हूँ मैं, एक मिनट. Okay, so we start. Limit n tending to infinity क्या लिखना है? n to the k, n k नहीं, ठीक है, n to the k, n raised to k,
n to the
k
k,
मत
हाँ.
बोल. Okay, ak minus 1 n to the k minus 1 plus dot plus a1n plus a0. क्या करना है? Divided by n to the k.
n raised to k.
हाँ. Okay, this is equal to
Limit n tend to infinity 1 plus ak minus
ak
1
k minus 1.
minus 1 upon n
हाँ.
ak minus 2 upon raised to n square up to a naught upon nk.
n
Will
to
this
the k, n
approximate?
raised to k, n k मत बोलो.
हाँ सर, n raised to k.
हाँ. Okay. Therefore,
Then
this one will be as it is. These ak, ak
बाकी
minus
सब
1,
zero है.
these are all constants, and you're dividing by positive powers of n. So all these terms are going to go to 0, right? Hello.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
क्या
Yes, sir.
होगा?
Yes, sir.
हाँ हाँ. क्या होगा?
That will
0
be
पे जाएगा
limit
ना?
will be 1. Yes,
हाँ.
sir.
हाँ
Limit
0
is
पे जा.
Except
1
one, all
plus
the terms will be
0
0.
plus 0. That is equal to 1. Okay. Thus, n to the k is tilde of these. Okay. Right. Let's do another question now. One second. Let's start. Let me open the book.
Sir, please show
Huh?
the previous page.
Sorry?
So please show the previous page.
This one, no? Okay.
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So, okay. So let's prove something else. How many did we do? We did 7 problems. Okay. Let's do another one. 8 problems. N by log n is little o n. Log whenever I say in this course, whenever I say log, it is log to the base 2. Okay. N by log n is little o n. Try this out.
Sir,
Hmm.
limit of n tends to infinity.
Mhm.
N upon log of n, the whole divided by n
Okay.
is equal to limit of n tends to infinity. N upon log of n into n.
You mean n by n log n.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
Limit of n is 1 upon log of
okay.
which will be tending towards 0.
Why is that?
So when n will increase, then log of n will also increase. N
Log n
upon
goes to infinity as n tends to. Therefore, this is 0. Okay. So this implies n by log n is little o n.
this will be
Okay. Now uh, we'll work with the same thing. Next question. Show that for any fixed constant c between 0 and 1, we have n by log n is big omega n to the c. This might be a little more involved. Okay, so start writing. You don't have to show both sides anyways. It's only omega. C is a fixed constant between 0 and 1. Okay, so try. If you are confused as to how to do it, take c equal to half. Okay, take c equal to half and try. So c equal to half matlab n to the c is square root n. Okay, try to show this for square root n first.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
So limit n tend to infinity.
Okay.
Root of n. Root of n
So
upon
let me just
n
write this
upon.
in pink, okay? Because for now this is not the final answer. Let us see where this goes. Okay. So limit
Okay.
n tending to infinity.
And root n
Uh-huh.
upon n upon log n,
Okay.
which is equal to limit n tend to infinity
Okay.
log n upon root of n,
Okay. Nice. Then.
which is equal to limit n tend to infinity
Uh-huh.
log n raised to root n.
Oh. Okay. You mean log of n raised to root n.
N raised to root n.
This one.
Yes,
है ना?
yeah. Which is half.
N raised to root n is what?
Half.
Why? You are going almost okay. I mean, but this step is not. This is not. Can you look at this? I'll tell you that this is actually 0. Limit n tending to infinity log n by square root n 0. You might have seen this at some point of time. Do you remember?
सर ये कैसे होगा?
हाँ, तो log n is supposed to be much slower than any power of n, any positive power of n. Okay, that is one way of looking at this. So this is the easy solution. So okay, so let me show you this. Okay, by now have you realized that, see, if you want to show omega, then you can take the constant n naught वगैरह 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 वो सब तो करना पड़ता है, right? But if you can take limit and show little omega, then you have showed stronger. If you show little omega, then you have also showed big omega. Is that much clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. और दो तीन लोग कुछ बोलो, समझ में आ रहा है क्या? या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो बताओ. If you show
Yes, sir.
little
Yes, sir.
omega, then you also show big omega.
Yes, sir.
So let us in fact, let us show that for all c between 0 and 1, n by log n is actually little omega n to the c. That will imply that it is big omega n to the c. Okay, why is that? So standard fact. This you don't have to prove, you can assume. Standard fact. For any fixed delta greater than 0, limit n tending to infinity log n by n to the delta is equal to 0. Log n is much slower than any positive power of delta. Is that okay? That is the meaning of this. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, in fact, you
Yes,
also
sir.
have this. You also have this. limit, so and n tending to infinity any, so let's say 2 to the n by n to the delta. This is infinity. Now delta can be any large number. 1000 also is fine. But 2 to the n by n to the delta will be infinity. Okay, that is the difference. So log n is slower than every power of n. 2 to the n is faster than every power of n. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now let's go to the proof of the original thing. So proof of 9. Proof of 9. Okay. Fix C between 0 and 1. So let's show that this is little omega of this. So then we take then limit n tending to infinity. What do we have to take? N to the C by n by log n, right? Just as one of you was saying little while before. This is equal to limit n tending to infinity. What will this be? Log n by come on now, this is easy. What is this? Log n by
n raised to 1 minus c.
कटेगा ना,
n raised to 1 minus
1 minus c, right? But c is between 0 and 1, not 0, not 1. So 1 minus c is also between 0 and 1, right? 1 minus c is also positive. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
C less than 1. So 1 minus c greater than 0. Therefore, this is equal to 0. And this implies, what does this imply? Well, either way, you can say that n to the c is little o n by log n. That is n by log n is little omega into the c. Therefore, so thus we also get n by log n is big omega into c. Is that okay? Fine with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So remember that sometimes when you want to show big O and big omega, sometimes taking limit and showing little o, little omega might be easier. But it's not always true that it will be little o or little omega. For instance, there will be functions which are not little o, but still big O. Okay, those kinds of things are there. So we will see those kinds of questions in the tutorials. Okay, so what will I do now? I'll stop here because we have solved some problems and I don't want to overload you as such. So I will stop here right now. Tomorrow is a break, but today evening I will post a set of questions. Okay, I'll send a PDF file. It will be a tutorial sheet. It will be a set of questions. Is that okay? And then we'll meet on Friday and Saturday. Friday and Saturday we will discuss these problems, but tomorrow you have to try solving them on your own as much as possible. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. So that is all for today. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Have a
Yeah.
good day.
Thank you.
Yes. Bye.